Let's hear you now.
Todos queremos podernos decir, con esfuerzo podemos lograr, queremos ser los mejores, cada día hoy empezar. Soñemos cada día más, como pasos para así lograrlo. Soñemos cuando sale el sol. Estoy listo para aprender más. Soy mejor cada día.
Let's hear it loud.
Soy mejor cada día.
Okay, boys and girls, before we get started, we always want to make sure everybody is going to pay attention because you know what we do on Fridays. We highlight our pioneers and everybody needs to pay attention. So remember, if you're sitting by somebody you're going to be completely distracted by, let's make a shift so that we show respect for everybody. As always, some announcers that are going to help us from our highlight class, which is Ms. Torres. So I am going to give up the mic, but before I do, guys, I want you to notice the slide. It looks a little different, right? Our graphic design club did not know which Friday we were going to pick, and it's Gianna Pena. Where are you, Gianna? Stand back, Gianna. We'll highlight you when you come up. Gianna designed this slide, and so she's just going to be up here for the morning announcements. But we are highlighting our graphic design club today. So, as we get started, buenos días, pioneros. I am Mrs. Delgado, your... Yes, I am. And this is Dr. Pablo Lopez Elementary, the best school in the whole wide world. And we are getting ready to have a classroom help us get started with announcements.
Good morning, pioneers. Our names are Genesis, Abu, and we are students in Miss Lois' third grade class. Por favor, pónganse de pie para la promesa que le hago. Estados Unidos de América y a la República que representa una nación bajo Dios, indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos. And now, the pledge to Texas
me to be your school counselor, and I am the luckiest counselor in the whole wide world because I get to work here with all of you. Thank you, boys and girls.
Awesome. Thank you for starting our performance of the day. And okay, we talked about the graphic design club. Where's Misty Dana? Misty Dana, come over. I have to give her props because she has been amazing in helping me with this club. We stay after school on Fridays, and she is very organized, very meticulous about things, and we've been able to enhance Graphic Design Club this year because of everything she has brought and contributed. So I do want to recognize our Graphic Design Club. Nadine Alvarez, Scarlett Cortez, Zoe De Leon, Renee Gallegos, Alice Gomez, Noah Ibarra, Valentina Lopez, Kayla Molina, Gianna Pena, Ana Pena, Isabel Perez, Luis Perez, Sabrina Perez, Matthew Pineda, Antonio Renteria, Lucy Rodriguez, Jimena Rodriguez, Maya Salinas, Amelia Samaria, Mia Torres, Ana Valdez, Amaya Vargas, and Mara Zamora. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you a little bit. They are learning all about how to use graphics to design information. Does anybody want to say anything? One person.
In Graphic Design Club, we get to learn things about science and how we project, and just life skills. And I learned everything. It's fun because we get to learn how to draw and write slides, and it's just fun how we have everyone as a team on one day. It's just fun. And it teaches us all sizes, shapes, everything. Really fun. We get to be learning things every day. So better every day.
Awesome. So from now on, the morning announcement slides that you see in the morning, they're designed by our graphic design club. So you will see different designs. The Friday that you saw today was a little contest, and we put it out for a vote, and the one that got it was Gianna's. So they will continue to work hard, but I wanted to recognize them because they stay every Friday after school, and of course the amazing Miss Quintana. Couldn't do it without her. So give another round of applause to our graphic design club. As they take their seat. if you were part of the robotics team, come on up. We have lots of great competition at Bayless Elementary. So they represented our school with so much pride in Harlingen. So it was regional. They competed against a lot of other schools. Does anybody want to say a little bit about this, man?
We tried our best.
There was a little delay. And you know what? They were troopers. They had practiced evacuation drills. And in Harlingen, they did have a little, it wasn't an emergency, but the alarm went off. You know, sometimes people do things that went off. They evacuated just like they do here. So proud of them. And it didn't distract them from the task at hand. So proud of all of you guys. Let's give them another round of applause as they take their seats. And speaking of science, we also have our Science Olympiad tomorrow. The Science Olympiad. Where's Miss Orion, the sponsor? All right, guys. We know how important science is. Science Olympiad, very important, guys, is new to McAllen ISD. McAllen ISD is an awesome district, and they are the first district to do Science Olympiad in elementary school. So we are very proud of our team. I'll let Miss Amani say a few words.
So yes, just like Mr. Gala said, we are the very first district to do elementary science Olympiad in Texas. I'm very proud of this group. They've been working hard for the past few months, and tomorrow they'll be competing against all the other elementary schools in 12 different science events. Some of them are test oriented, and some of them are building things. So they've been working really hard to prepare, and let's just wish them the best of luck. Practice is going really well. I think they've been making more, and I can't wait.
We worked really hard, and I think we're really confident about it. It was tough, but I won't give it till the end.
He will knock it off and we will go all of them. So let's wish them luck and another round of applause as they take their seats, guys. Best of luck tomorrow. And our veteran chest continues to shine at all the tournaments we go to.
Say that all our chess players performed beautifully, worked so hard, huge commitment on the parents' part and their part. So if you competed on Saturday, please stand up because you absolutely need to be recognized for your hard work. Even on the parents' trophy for that group, you earned our praise and encouragement, and we are so proud of you. Great job! Woo! However, we did have some winners, Mrs. Delgado. Starting with our K1 division. So if you are kindergarten Would any of you like to sing?
I practiced really hard and now I'm ready for regionals.
Wait, no, gentlemen, here we are because our team earned first place! They are Brianna Jimenez, Joaquin Blanco, Cristian Cez, Mario Jimenez, Octavio Resnick, Diego Gonzalez, Cruz Longoria, Ricardo Jimenez, and Nicholas Garcia!
because last year's Teacher of the Year was Mr. Senna, so he has to take his last little walk down the aisle. So Mr. Senna's going to walk down the aisle, and then we have Miss, we have Matias Lopez, who's beautiful moment, guys. Awesome. Congratulations again. All right, now it's time for a Pioneer Spotlight. Everybody sit attentively. All right, guys. Everybody sit attentively as we wait to hear all about Ms. Doris's class.
And shift. We love to have discussions. We love to draw. We love hands-on science. Please stand and join us as we dance our favorite song.
All right, everybody up, guys. You already know who it is. I